Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Tony Fatayomi, but my friends call me T Fay, so feel free to do the same. And welcome to the first episode of Project 1 Million, where the plan will be simple. I'm starting with $100,000 in my portfolio, and I'm going to show you guys how I'll be growing it into $1 million using just stocks and cryptos. Now, quick note, on the left, you'll see my Fidelity stock balance, and on the right, you'll see our Coinbase crypto balance. Thanks to market volatility, it's impossible to keep them perfectly at 100K, but let's just pretend that they add up and let's roll with it. This is a passion project for me, so I'm excited to get it started. The audio production and presentation will improve as I learn along the way, but for now, let's focus on building something real and impactful. So, why am I focusing on cryptos and stocks? It's pretty simple. Number one, companies like MicroStrategy are investing billions of dollars into Bitcoin because they see it as the future of money. And after the recent election, things are looking even better for crypto. Donald Trump has openly supported making America pro crypto. He wants to make America the national Bitcoin capital and the crypto reserve also. So, with his leadership, we could see anti-crypto bureaucrats like the SEC chair Gary Gensler. He's going to be replaced, which is going to be massive for projects like XRP. Which, if you've been following me on social media, I've been big on XRP for years, but we'll talk about that later. So it's going to be a more crypto-friendly government. All in all, we'll also talk about the Bitcoin Act and how he wants to make America the Bitcoin capital. But let's be very real, crypto is very volatile. That's why I'm splitting my portfolio 50-50 with stocks and cryptos. So just in case of any crazy movements, our drawdown shouldn't be too severe. So you kind of want a good, diverse, balanced portfolio in this case because we're in this for the long run. We will get to $1 million, but you won't get to $1 million if you blow your account. But this is just the beginning of Project 1 Million. Follow me on social media and join our Telegram. Links are in the description for instant updates and deeper conversation. And honestly, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading the best ones. So hit subscribe, turn on the notifications, and let's navigate this journey together. This is the future of investing, and we just getting started. And I'm so excited to have you guys along for the ride. Let's get it.